Alright, what I have here is the Freedman chair. Just came in today. Thought I'd do an unboxing because I'm looking forward to seeing what's inside the box. The box is not too heavy, maybe 30 pounds. Maybe closer to 50. Of course, there's tape all over it. Past the first part, you reveal probably the official box as it is, and it looks pretty awesome. Here you see the chair. So let's look inside. Looks like it's glued somehow. Definitely glued. Very odd choice to glue this particular part of the box down. Once you get it open, I need 10 minutes, please. Once you get it open, stop letter here that says, before you begin assembling this chair, watch the video, read the instruction booklet, open and save your packing slip, and warranty information. And once you open the cartons, you reveal the pieces of the chair. Hopefully you can see them all. I'll move it into a better there are the legs and the casters. Feel like aluminum, pretty sturdy. And then there's the very heavy center piece. The spine, I guess you could call it. Here's the sitting pads, mostly assembled in the color that I wanted. You have a manual. It says right there, Freedman dynamic sitting. Interesting thing to say. And there's the the back spine along with the back rest, which is kind of a molded piece, but it's heavy. And some gloves, screws, and they include Allen keys. Silica gel everywhere. This piece is not sure, but no doubt I should not be touching it without gloves on. But and that's everything. There's nothing underneath these curtains. So, Freedman chair unboxing. This is a 1.0 version of the Freedman chair, and April 28th, 2015. Thank you.